Day 56 of the experiment, 3rd of April 2025, and we still don't have flowers. I hope this is not excessive sun causing the leaves to shrivel. We're still looking out for flowers. We do not have flowers yet. So day 56 of the experiment, and we still don't have flowers. Today is 3rd of 3rd of April 2025. We don't have flowers yet, so we're going to keep inspecting it. But meanwhile, let's go back and have the lectures for the day. Thank you. Okay, so day 56, we've seen the garden. I thought I was going to come back in immediately after looking at that to deliver lectures for today, but I had other things to go and attend to. I had to run out, do one or two, even shave my hair. Looking fresher today. So we're going to leave that till tomorrow. We're going to leave that till tomorrow, and probably deliver the lecture tomorrow. There's a lot right now on my plate I'm handling, so I may not deliver lectures for the next 2, 3, 4 days, but let's see how it goes. Thank you very much for staying with me. I know this is going to be a short one, probably the shortest, but please bear with me. We'll see again tomorrow, day 57, and see what is in the garden. Thank you.